Hello friends, this is Sumit Bagul and I welcome you all to the brand new episode of Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friends, whenever we face any medical or health related problem, what we do? We share that problem with our family or with our friends, right? But whenever we face any problem which is related to our sexual life, we don't share it with anyone. Rather, we try to hide it. And for this reason, we have started this special sex educational show called Sex Only Unique Formula for Happy Life. Friend, this is one of its kind platform where you all will be able to share your questions related to your sexual life and Dr. Vijay Daifale will solve your problem in very positive manner. But before starting the actual talk, let us all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale in detail.
Dr. Vijay Dahifale is very famous sexologist, urologist and andrologist. He has his clinics in Aurangabad, Hyderabad, Delhi, Dwarka Sector 23, Pune, Nerul in Navi Mumbai, Dadar, Andheri, Kalyan, Nashik, Ahmedabad and Dubai. Dr. Vijay Dahifale frequently travels in India and abroad for seminars and conferences related to sexology.
So friends, now that you all know about Dr. Vijay Daifale's various clinics, we have a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Daifale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai and specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Now let's start the show. We have doctor here with us. Doctor, welcome to the show.
Thank you very much, Sumit.
Doctor, we are speaking about sexual dysfunction.
Yeah.
And sir, whenever we speak about all such topics,
Yeah.
you always take public demand in your opinion.
Sure.
You always talk on the topics which are demanded by people. Like
Yeah.
you are getting a lot of questions on your WhatsApp, you are getting many questions on your email as well. Even we are getting many questions on the videos that we always share on various
Yeah.
social media platforms like Facebook and YouTube. So sir, all these topics are taken by public demand,
Yeah.
and like that you have selected this one specific topic which is sexual dysfunction and dental dams to be specific.
Yeah.
So sir, to start with, I would like to ask you, what is basically sir dental dam? Please tell us.
Yeah, excellent. Sumit, in this series of sex education, sexual awareness and sexual safety, we are taking very important scientific information about sexual dysfunction, female sexual dysfunction, different type of condoms, shape of penis, shape of vagina, and especially today we are seeing dental dam. So many people, they might not be knowing about this dental dam. Whenever they are going for the oral sex, there is a sheet of latex or polyurethane which is used as a part of prevention of an infection or barrier from oral cavity or when they are leaking to the opposite partner's vagina at that time. This type of barrier in the form of, you can say, square sheet which is used at the time of oral
Sir, एक
sex
मिनिट
is called as dental dam.
परत काहीतरी डिस्टर्बन्स आला.
ते आपण चेक करायला हे केलं होतं ना बघा, ते आता ऑफ करावं
ठीक आहे, आता
लागेल.
कुठून करू आता रोल?
पूर्णच घ्या ना, कशाला त्याला हे करतात.
हा ठीक आहे,
त्याला काय झालं,
मी प्रश्न विचारतो आणि
हा
हो फोन थ्रू आहे ना, ठीक आहे. सर तुमच्या प्रश्नापासून स्टार्ट करू डायरेक्ट. तुम्ही स्टार्ट करा. हा
मी आन्सर देऊ
हा
का?
आन्सर पासून. सर व्हॉट इज बेसिकली डेंटल डॅम? प्लीज टेल अस.
Yeah, definitely. Sumit, this is very, very important. So many people don't know what exactly is a dental dam, in which condition it is used. People commonly know about the condom. See, especially in females, when person is going for the oral sex to prevent the infection or to prevent any type of secretion to be contaminated in the mouth, there is a square sheet either of polyurethane or latex, and that has to be covered on the vaginal part, and then oral sex is done. So this type of piece which prevents the infection from the female partner who is performing leaking or oral sex, that is called as a dental dam.
Definitely. Sir, now that you have told us about what is dental dam,
Yeah.
so what infections actually are prevented by these dental dams? Please
Yeah,
tell us.
sure.
Yes.
Especially in females, when there is leaking, vaginitis, syphilis, gonorrhea, bacterial vaginitis, chlamydia, such a type of vaginal infections which are there, definitely the mucosa of a mouth absorbs that secretion, and there are much more chances of having such type of STDs, sexually transmitted diseases and sexually transmitted infections. So with the help of this dental dam, we can prevent these STDs and STIs.
Definitely. Sir, we have one caller on the show. We have Mahesh from Pune.
Yeah.
Can we take that call?
Sure.
Yes.
Yeah.
Mahesh, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hello.
Hello.
Yes, please.
What is the cost of dental dam?
Excellent.
Okay.
This I was expecting.
Yes, sir.
All people know the cost of condom in hardly 200 or 150 rupees. You are getting 10 pieces. But this is not true with this dental dam. One thing, it is not easily available. And suppose the cost is in dollars. You can say single condom, a single dental dam will cost from 75 rupees to 100 rupees. So it is comparatively costly, but you can get it online, or we'll see again from where you can get it.
Definitely, sir. Again, coming back
Yeah.
to our question and answer. Sir, what is role of dental dams in oral anal foreplay? Please tell us.
Excellent. See, it depends. If again we give the frame, time, place, person, condition, culture, safety and consenting and our own partner. If your partner is having consent, if partner is willing for such a type of leaking in vaginal or anal region, in that case also, to prevent the infection from the popping, to prevent the infection from this anal bacteria, they have to use to this dental dam that has to be covered separately on the vagina, then you have to throw it out, and the separately it has to cover on the anal region. So by this way you can go for with proper consent of your partner for this leaking, but only after using different dental dam for different areas, separate for vagina and separate for the anal region, because again they should not contaminate each other due to local transmission.
Definitely. Sir, we are speaking about dental dams and
Yeah.
its use. So, sir, basically, what kind of infections which can't be prevented by dental dams? Please tell us.
Yes, correct. Very interesting question.
Yes.
Contagious, herpes simplex, herpes zoster, then leeches, and such type of HPV, human papilloma viruses, means warts, the infection which are carried due to contact of each other's skin or by rubbing of that. So your this dental dam is covering only the inner part of vagina and outer lips, but the remaining area is having other type of infections like fungal, herpes, bacterial. Such a type of infection cannot be controlled with this dental dam.
Definitely. Sir, we have one more caller on the show.
Sure.
We have Twinkle from Panjim. Can we take that call?
Definitely.
Twinkle, you can ask your question to the doctor. Your phone is now connected.
Hi sir,
Hello.
Yes.
how to use and dispose the dental dam?
Okay.
This is also very
Yes, sir.
important. People are not knowing what is dental dam. Then this is a very important next question. The wrapper which is there, you have to cut that wrapper just where there is some slit is given. Don't use the scissors because it may damage that dam. Your hands should be clean, the nails should be clean, some sanitizer or disinfectant should be used. Then don't touch that dental dam from the inner, the aspect which is going on the vagina. Then you have to apply in such a way, there should be some moisture on the vaginal part. So put that dental dam on that. So automatically it gets fixed in that, and with the sterile fingers you have to push some part of that dam inside the vulva or outer part of the vagina. So at the leaking time it will not slip, or it will not cause any type of complications like slippage, and later on some secretions are you have deglutted and there are some chances of infection. So this is the way and how to dispose. Once the leaking is over, you have to take it out and with a sterile, some wrappers are there, and throw it into the dustbin. You should not supposed to flush into the any toilet or anywhere to prevent the blockages.
Definitely. Sir, again coming
Yeah.
back to our question and answer, just now you told us how to dispose
and
it
dispose,
and
correct.
what is cost of
Yeah.
it. But sir, where to get these dental dams? Please tell us.
Yes, most important.
Yes, sir.
So many times patient comes to me and they say, sir, from where to take this dental dam? See, usually you go to the routine counters and get a condom, I want this condom, that condom, but dental dam are not available like this. We have to get it online because still people are not having that much of awareness. There are some health clinics where the sex clinics where they used to specially import it and keep it for the display and for the sale also. So friends, to get these, you have to go to the special units or special areas where they used to import it, special health clinics, sex hygiene clinics where they can be available, or otherwise you can borrow it from online.
Definitely. So now, sir, one last and one
Yeah.
very important question, sir. What are oral sex lingeries? Please tell us.
Yes.
Yes.
It is the next step to this dental dam because this dam is hardly covering the vaginal part or this some part of the anal. lingerie, means your undergarment. Means some companies, they have created with that latex or this polyurethane material that total lingerie, means total underwear, total undergarment that is covering the anal part and vaginal part also. The advantage first is they are having just protection from this leaking, and second, we have to protect the things, any addition of secretion or any contamination to the opposite part, but not so much commonly used. But for your knowledge purpose, you must know about such lingerie. So friends, only one thing I will tell you, go by scientific method, choose your own and known partner, and then even if you are knowing them, when you are leaking or doing any type of this foreplay, there must be use of this lingeries, or you can say dental dams, and you can prevent yourself from any type of infections and can enjoy the sexual life.
Definitely, sir. Thank you so much for sharing all
Yeah.
this valuable information. But sir, due to time constraint,
Yeah.
we have to stop here in this
Yeah.
particular episode. But definitely, we'll meet
Come
one
back
more
again.
episode
Yeah.
with extra information and
Sure.
valuable information.
Yeah.
But friends, you can also take Dr. Vijay Dehipale's consultation. There are various contact details available right on your screen. And there is a good news for you that Dr. Vijay Dehipale has recently started his new brand clinic in South Mumbai, specifically in Kulaba area. So you can definitely visit his Kulaba center and take positive consultation. Well, friends, it's time to stop here. Thank you so much.